Yeah.
Wow.
If I drop this pen from this particular height, then it will start moving downward. What type of motion will be that? It starts accelerating in the presence of air is there in my room. So it starts accelerating, means its velocity will change, its velocity increases. Initially it is at rest position. Immediately when I release it, it start gaining velocity, it start accelerating, and then it hit the ball. So what is the free fall motion? Free fall motion is a motion in which the object moves or accelerate under the effect of gravity alone. That motion is called a free fall motion. Is this clear, children? The definition of free fall motions? A free fall motion is a motion in which the object it comes down itself under the effect of gravity. No any machine is working, no any engine is working, so only the object is coming down with the effect of one force, the force of gravity. That motion is called the free fall motions. And the one thing which you have to remember, students, which we will discuss also later in our next classes, that when it moves down, it accelerates, its speed increases. So at every instant of time, it has different velocity. But the one thing is same here, that this object accelerates with constant acceleration. The constant acceleration is that acceleration due to gravity, whose value we know, that is 9.8 meter per second square, which is nearly equal to 10 meter per second. Now here, this value you can see that is g is equal to 10 meter per second square. So before going to the next point, now here, a ball is dropped from rest. This is, what do you mean by that, from the rest? That its initial velocity is 0. Initial velocity is 0. Initial velocity means u is equal to 0, and the time is given here, the 2 seconds, that the object remains in motion for the 2 seconds before it hits the ground. Calculate the impact speed. Impact speed of the ball means we have to calculate the final velocity of the ball. If I release this pen here, it will start accelerating. When it hits my hand, with what velocity it will hit, that is the meaning here. Calculate the impact speed of the ball when it hit at my hand. So we have to find that speed here. The formula is which you have to use, as the object will accelerate here with constant acceleration. We know the formula, acceleration is given by v minus u by t. That is, acceleration is change in velocity upon time taken. Acceleration, this acceleration is the acceleration due to gravity, which is 10. Already we know we have this value, 10 meter per second square. You have to remember. We have to calculate, minus u is 0. Time is given 2 seconds. Then if you cross multiply, you will get v is equal to 10 to the 20 meter per second. So this is here, v velocity is equal to 10 meter per second in this case. The velocity of impact is 10 meter per second.